Hello there and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel, folks. I've got a nice one for you today. Again, as always, we've got nice ones for you. We're going to go classic today. So yeah, let's get some classics loaded that we've recently bought. Before we get stuck into it, just hit that subscribe button, folks. I know you want to. Right, okay, let's move on quickly. This is the 1976 Honda CB400. As you guys know, fairly legendary, iconic bike now. Quite well sought after as well. This one is in exceptional condition. It's a just give you a bit of a bullet points on this. UK bike, 4 former keepers. Got a bit of paperwork with the bike. It's had a recent engine rebuild. Clock's showing 13,250 miles, and it's gorgeous. It really is. It really does pop at you. So let's just have a quick walk round and a start up. So yeah, like I say, 1976 Honda CB400. Lovely bike, really is a gorgeous bike. All we're going to do is just have a nice slow walk round with this bike. You can see the condition of it, real nice. Had quite a bit of money spent on it, lots of receipts from David Silver, which we'll get to in a minute. But yeah, nice looking bike. It is down as historic on the V5, so tax and test exempt, which still blows my brains. Still, the no MOT thing is still fairly controversial, I think, in some areas. But you know, that is a nice, clean, well presented CB400. Yeah, there you go. Clocks are showing 13,238. Switch gears all in nice condition as well. I do like the, you know, still got the stickers on the tank and what have you. And even better, look at that, July 77 tax disc, £16. £16. In fairness, it hasn't gone up loads, has it, since 1977? Comparable to other items and things you pay for in the world. So yeah, that's not too bad an increase, really, when you think about it. But that is a nice looking bike. So paperwork wise, I've got, I'll just quickly show you, original owner's manual. Like I say, a ton of receipts from David Silver, some old MOT certificates, a bit of other information here, other service, you know, fork seal replacements, stuff like that. These are predominantly engine parts and stuff like that, collector boxes, 414 quid for a collector box, etc, etc. So lots of invoices there from David Silver. So yeah, let's just see if we can have a quick start up with this. I've already turned the fuel on, so let's have a go. There we go. What a nice little bike. So that's the 76 404 in stock at Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster. If you've got any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at this bike in person and you're travelling, always give me a call before you set off, just to make sure it's in stock and available. Something tells me this bike in this condition isn't going to stick around too long, because they are quite sought after, because they're nice and light as well. We can offer nationwide or international delivery on this bike as well. For a bit more of a description, just down below, and also a link to the website where you'll find a good number of photos in high definition of this bike, so you can zoom in more detail. But other than that, guys, I'm going to sign off. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button for me. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Cheers.